Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to install your corner pull-out basket step by step. Follow along to get it set up perfectly in your cabinet. Let's get started. Before installation, ensure your cabinet meets the size requirements. Check the interior depth, width, and height, as well as the cabinet opening width. After confirming that you have all the components listed above, we can start the installation. Step 1. Assemble parts A and B. Align the two holes on part B with the posts on part A and insert them together. Secure using part C and D, then tighten with part E. Finally, attach the handle part G using part F. Step 2. Use the screws part H to securely mount the main frame inside the cabinet. Make sure there's a 4.72 inches 120mm gap from the cabinet's edge. Step 3. Position part 1 the cover on the structural frame. This cover is decorative and optional. Install it based on your preference. Step 4. Install the hooks part J in their designated positions. Then attach the baskets parts K and L securely. With these simple 4 steps, your installation is complete. For right opening cabinets, simply rotate the base to the opposite direction and follow the same 4 steps to complete the installation. VADANIA hardware for your life.